Hi, baby. Hi. I'm all ready to go. Okay. Here goes Sneza. Oh! Wait. Oh yeah. You want me to do it? Oh God! Hey, Sneza! Hey! It's a recording for future references, I guess. I don't know. Here I go. Seatbelt on! Wait. What are they saying, Dora? Seatbelt. So we can... Wait. Seatbelt. So we can be safe. Click. Oh, we are so dumb. Yeah, I was like, don't go anywhere else, come straight back. I'm like, where are we going to go? I was party. I was like, oh wait, we did that before. Yeah, and this weather too. It was worse than this, dude. I know, it was like, I can't even describe how thick the snow was, man. It was hilarious. How did that happen? What's the point? Oh my God. Wow. Then the animals took out! This is the beginning. This is the Armageddon, you know? Yeah. It's hot. Hot here? Yeah, it's hot here. Okay. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I'm the one that has the proper jacket on and gloves and scarf, and you're the one with the fucking... Now, it's a blizzard, as you can see. Alright, going on. This girl, no hat. No hat, no gloves. No scarf. Shirt underneath it. No jacket. That's a sweater. I have gloves. Proper boots. Scarf. Extra whatever this is. And there's my street again. We just did a circle. That cop that lives... No. That cop that lives by me, he straight up went outside with his fucking short sleeve shirt. Today. I seen someone coming to work with a short sleeve shirt on.